Hey, it's Kyle from Midwest Aftermarket, and today we're going to be talking about the Elongator Tailgate, a SEMA best new product. Now, it's new on the market, and if you've never seen anything like it, but we're not just here to review it. No. We are going to be giving away an Elongator Tailgate to one lucky Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra owner. $1,500, $2,500, $3,500, doesn't matter. It just needs to be built between 2009 and 2018. The Elongator Tailgate is a tailgate replacement that doubles, or should I say triple duty, for your truck needs. Now, first, the Elongator Tailgate replaces your stock tailgate, including all your stock functionality like a backup camera and remote lock. It is a full factory replacement tailgate, but hidden inside there's something extra. The Elongator Tailgate is the exact tailgate you need at the exact moment you need it. Do you need to carry longer loads? Well, you simply lower the tailgate, fold out the extension to the level position, and you've extended your tailgate by almost 2 feet. You can also carry up to 850 pounds on the extension. But wait, that's not all. I said triple duty. The Elongator Tailgate also features an integral ramp system. Stored inside the tailgate beneath the extension are a pair of ramps. Rated at 700 pounds each, these ramps can be attached to the tailgate using Elongator Tailgate's no kick-out attachment method, meaning they're not going to come off when you're loading your 4x4 or wheelbarrow or motorbike or whatever it is that you need ramps for. Safety first, I always say. Now, the ramps can be attached to the extension in multiple locations to fit your needs. So whether you're putting a four-wheeler in the back of your pickup truck, or loading a motorcycle, or moving a fridge using a dolly, or whatever, putting your lawnmower to go back to your grandma's house to help with the yard work like the good grandson that I am. We're talking about all of those things. The Elongator Tailgate ramps can handle that. Now look, when you have ramps with you all the time, you end up using them all the time. And as we said before, we here at Midwest Aftermarket are extremely excited to be carrying this fine product. And to celebrate the launch, Elongator Tailgate is giving one away to a lucky GMC or Chevy truck owner. So I know, I hear you on the other side of that computer. You're thinking to yourself, how do I enter? Well, super simple. First, post your submission as photos or video. We love video, on Facebook or Instagram, and tag both Midwest Aftermarket and Elongator Tailgate. Make sure to use the hashtag Elongator Tailgate Contest and type in the post, quote, "Enter me into the contest. I need an Elongator Tailgate," unquote. That's it. And yes, by sharing a pic or video, you agree to allow Elongator Tailgate to view and use the contest as they see fit. So, how do you win? Well, the person who needs it most will win it. Are you carrying long loads all the time? Are you loading all kinds of things with bad ramps or no ramps at all? Do you even have a tailgate? Well, we don't care what your truck looks like, what the video or photo looks like. We want to look at the submission and say, wow, that person is really using their truck for a lot of loading. They could really benefit from having this always with you, safer to use, one-of-a-kind tailgate. So, the contest is running now. Elongator Tailgate will pick a winner in 30 days. And when the contest is over, I will announce the winner live on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and yes, even our YouTube page. We'll then reach out to the winner personally to make sure to get all your contact information and where you want this bad boy shipped. Because soon you're going to be getting your very own Elongator Tailgate. All we want in return is for you to keep us updated as to how it's working for you. Maybe send us a few pictures every now and then. And as for everyone who doesn't win, well, don't worry. We've got an Elongator Tailgate with your name on it, too. Just go to the website, MidwestAftermarket.com, and order yourself one. We have free shipping to the continental U.S., and your new Elongator Tailgate is backed by their 3-year warranty. Furthermore, you're going to have the peace of mind knowing that the Elongator Tailgate are made right here in the good old US of A. So you're supporting American workers too. So while we want you to know we're pulling for you specifically in this contest, should you not win, we're still going to have Elongator tailgates in stock and ready to ship. So you can get your very own integrated ramp and tailgate extension system, the Elongator Tailgate, for short, today from Midwest Aftermarket. I'm Kyle. We'll see you next time when we announce the winner.